It's simple time and this is Chef Sautéing and today gagawa tayo ng isang very sweet memory of my childhood, ang pork humba. Let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. At itong recipe na to, kahit sobra niyang simple, it has been passed on from generation to generation to generation dahil sobra niyang sarap and you should learn this recipe as well. So, eto meron tayong pork, gamit natin dito. Pork belly, nakikita natin medyo mataba ng konti yung ating pork belly. Hindi nagda-diet yung ating baboy from Fresh Options. So, itong recipe na to, ang very classic way to do it is just to put everything into the pot and let it simmer until all the fat renders. Pero, yung gagawin natin today is, lalagyan natin siya ng konting pangpalasa pa, no? We're gonna add another step just to bring out the flavor of the aromatics, which is to saute our spices. I'll just add a little oil, sobrang konting oil lang. And I will just saute my garlic, onions, sabay-sabay ko na siya. Star anise, black pepper, and laurel leaves. Yung ginagawa ko dito, I'm just blooming the flavor. And, of course, I will add cinnamon bark, no? You can also use cinnamon powder. So, once that's warmed up and, you know, everything perfumes your kitchen, gagawin natin, ilalagay na rin natin yung ating pork. Yan. Very nice pork. Yan. Kasi yung extra pork, yung extra fat nito, di ba, magluluto ka ng humba. It will be covered in pork fat. Yun ginagamit mo din sa paggisa ng other dishes. And it also serves as protection of the dish para hindi siya madaling mapanis. Yan. So, that is the reason why medyo fatty yung pork natin. Put everything together. Yan. Toss our pork. Magiging sobrang bango ng ating pork. Yan. Very nice. And we will now add our other ingredients. So what do we have? No? We have datu puti, suka. Yan, vinegar. 1/4 cup of vinegar. 3/4 cup of Silver Swan soy sauce. Very classic. 80 years na ito na brand ng ating soy sauce. Kaya ito, sobrang very heirloom flavored yung ating recipe today. Lalagyan din natin siya ng sugar kasi medyo manamis-namis talaga tong humba. We have 3/4 cup of sugar. Sa amin pa, kamay. It's called kamay in the Visayas. And gagamit din tayo ng black beans, salted black beans, Silver Swan, salted black beans. Lalagay na rin natin. Yan. That salted black beans, because it has a fermented flavor, will really add to the linamnam of this dish. So, I will add, I learned this from the province, nilalagyan nila ng banana ketchup, di ba? To mimic the color of the old, really old soy sauce natin na medyo reddish ang kulay niya. And, of course, dadagdagan natin siya ng water. 4 cups of water. Kung patay yung gagawin mo, pero yung gamit natin pork belly, 2 cups lang. And that's enough. And lulutuin natin siya. We let that simmer. And our humba is almost done and I'm just chopping some nuts to add to my pot. Yan, medyo thick, very rich na yung ating sauce. Malambot na rin yung ating pork. Yan, ating toasted peanuts. Yan. Add natin siya. And also, we will add hard-boiled eggs. So, meron ako ditong 2 pieces of hard-boiled eggs. You can add more, of course, if you want. Yan. And, lastly, ito, a very interesting ingredient. Ito siya, bulaklak ng saging, no? Puso ng saging. It's also called azucena. So, originally, ito galing sa tiger lily flower. Yan, sa Chinese cooking. Or tinatawag din na golden needles. Pero, sa atin gamit natin ay, of course, bulaklak ng saging. Because we Filipinos are very creative doon. Very resourceful. Nakahanap tayo ng similar na, ingredient. Yan. Yan. Let that simmer. And our humba is done. Di ba? Look at that. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Ang sauce natin is very rich, very nice. Old-fashioned humba. Masarap din siya with saging. Usually, pag may saging to nasaba, you call it estofado. Ang sarap nito. Yan. Yan. Sobrang simple, sobrang easy. Our version of pork humba. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!